Embrace is inspired by the Japanese way of life. It's about embracing positivity every day, creating a supportive and soothing home you love to return to. Combining the calming tones of edamame and the cozy textures of walnut create a space that's both nurturing and inviting. This trend is about bringing the outside in, so that's introducing natural elements or natural look finishes wherever you can. The colour palette combines earthy green and walnut cabinetry with concrete look bench tops and a stone coloured finger tile that has a hint of navy blue. It's tactile and it instantly makes you feel relaxed. I love that this trend really embraces self-care. If you want to move away from hustle culture and take steps towards creating a more balanced life, these colours, materials and textures can help create a sanctuary at home.